Hi everyone, and welcome back to Jim Vernon Solutions, the Learn HTML tutorial using W3 Schools. We're starting the HTML headings chapter of the tutorial. You can see some examples here, and in fact the first two try it yourself exercises are very similar to the ones we had in the basic and elements, so I won't go through those in this video. You can see that headings are important because search engines use them to index the structure and content of your web pages, and because users are going to look at headings first because they're usually larger. So let's play around a little bit with some of that. We have a try it yourself here in terms of changing the size of headings. So H1 through H6 are defaults, but you can change the default font size in particular. We've looked at some style elements previously. So in this example, we have the HTML on the left that has, within the H1 tag, if we look at it, it has a style equals and then a font size property of 60 pixels, 60 px. So let's play with that a little bit. If we just go from 60 to 90, for example, not surprisingly, if we run that, it gets larger. If we take it down from 60 to 30, not surprisingly, it gets smaller. And you can see it relative to the default paragraph. Let's also see it next to the default H1. So if we make a copy of the heading, and then in the second one, let's make this default heading 1 and take out the style attribute so that we're not changing anything there. So it's just plain old H1, and if we run this, we can see those look pretty much the same. And then we can go back and look and see what happened when we made it 60, and you can see quite a bit of contrast there. So that's just enough about how you can change the sizes of headings compared to the default. We'll get out of the try it yourself here, and we'll see the rest of this chapter deals with HTML exercises, which we'll start in the next video.